Hello, my name is Jennifer Pakula and I teach economics at Saddleback College. Have you ever heard the abbreviation ZTC and not sure what it stands for? ZTC stands for Zero Textbook Cost. There are many courses at Saddleback that do not require students to purchase textbooks. All of the economics courses are ZTC, and so are many other courses in many other departments. There is nothing to pay over tuition. Not only do ZTC courses reduce the cost of education, ZTC courses provide students access to learning materials on the first day of class. There's no waiting for financial aid or waiting for a paycheck. Let me show you how to find which courses are ZTC. Once you're on the Saddleback homepage, click on Class Schedule. Pick the semester you want to register for. I'm going to click on Spring 2020. Click on Zero Textbook Cost icon. Look at that. All of these departments offer zero textbook cost courses. You can pick any department, sociology for example, and see all of the course information about every ZTC course. Notice the Zero Textbook Cost icon associated with every ticket number. Best of luck with all of your future studies, and I hope you register for a ZTC course next term.